Top 5 Robot Vacuums for Home Use. Here's a breakdown of the top 5 robot vacuums in 2024, highlighting the unique advantages and limitations of each product. Hope it would help you to choose. Here we go. 1. Kipvo Fief 3 Robot Vacuum. Pros: affordable pricing for an entry-level robot vacuum. Decent cleaning performance on hard floors and light carpeting. Basic navigation ensures it can handle simple layouts. Compact design fits under most furniture. Cons: lacks advanced features like smart mapping or mopping. Struggles with high pile carpets and larger debris. Limited app support compared to premium models. 2. Narwhal Freo X Ultra. Pros: offers vacuuming and mopping with self-cleaning mop pads. Excellent obstacle avoidance for smooth navigation. Strong performance across surfaces, including rugs and tiles. Long battery life, 208 minutes, and self-emptying capabilities. Cons: initial setup and app navigation can be challenging. Priced at the higher end, making it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. 3. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. Pros: pet-friendly design with rubber brush bars to prevent tangling. Strong suction for both carpets and hard floors. App offers intuitive controls and customizable cleaning zones. Includes a self-emptying dock for convenience. Cons: side brushes occasionally scatter debris. Loud self-emptying operation. 4. Ecovacs Deebot T9 Plus. Pros: features advanced 3D mapping and object avoidance. Excellent cleaning performance with vacuuming and mopping combo. Mobile fragrance option adds a pleasant touch during cleaning. Self-emptying dock reduces maintenance. Cons: disposable mop pads may concern eco-conscious users, not ideal for heavy-duty cleaning in high-shedding pet homes. 5. Tenneco Pure One S11 Cordless Smart Stick Vacuum. Pros: combines powerful suction with thorough mopping capabilities. Smart mapping ensures precise navigation and cleaning. Self-emptying and self-refilling dock minimizes maintenance. Handles tough stains like dried spills effectively. Cons: may get stuck on high thresholds between rooms. Larger dock size may not suit smaller homes. Each of these competitors brings unique strengths to the table. For premium features, the Narwhal Freo X Ultra or UFI X10 Pro Omni are excellent choices. Pet owners will appreciate the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus, while the Kipvo V3 and Ecovacs Deebot T9 Plus balances performance and price. Choose based on your cleaning needs, budget, and preference for advanced features. Which one is your choice?